Hey, Blue Room friends, it's Miss Rynette again. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Rynette. Today I thought we could use a laugh. This is going to be a quick story, but again, one of our favorites. I hope you all have been having a good time at home and playing with your moms and dads and brothers and sisters. We miss you at Blue Room and love you very much. The story we're going to read today is, are you ready? The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. I can almost hear you all giggling right now because you love this story so much. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Get ready to laugh, Blue Room. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Oh, hello. How are you? Better answer. Tell him how you are. Oh, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever. Well, at least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Yay! Puppy, 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 puppy. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. Once a month? What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Aww. Puppies! I want a puppy right here, right now. Woof. What's that? Woof, woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Woof. It's huge. The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. Did I mention the teeth? Really? I had no idea. Uh-oh, missed a page. I think I've changed my mind. There he is. I want a walrus. The end of The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Maybe you could try to draw, Miss Rynette, a puppy or a pigeon. Either way, I would love to see your pictures of a puppy or a pigeon, or maybe a walrus with the pigeon. That's a fun idea. All right, Blue Room friends and all my other Grow to Know friends, I will see you next time on Storytime with Miss Rynette.